Hello friends, today I will discuss on one of the most important amendment made by our FMN budget 2020, which talks about changes in tax rates in new taxation system. There are certain conditions to opt for new taxation system, which we will discuss later on. An individual or HUF can opt for any tax system which is beneficial to him. First, let's compare tax rates in old tax system and new tax system. Uh, in the old system, the rate of tax for resident who is of the age below 60 years, whose income is up to 2,50,000 was nil. From 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs, the rate of tax is 5%. From 5 lakh to 10 lakh, it is 20, and above 10 lakh, it is 30%. Same way for senior citizens whose age is above 60 years, the rate of tax up to 3 lakh is nil. From 3 lakh to 5 lakh, it is 5%. From 5 lakh to 10 lakh, it is 20%, and above 10 lakh, it is 30%. For super senior citizens, the rate of tax up to 5 lakh is nil. From 5 to 10 lakh, it is 20%, and above 10 lakh, it is 30%. Now let's talk about the tax rate in the new taxation regime. For income up to 2 lakh 50, the rate of tax is nil. From 2 lakh 50 to 5 lakh, it is 5%. Up to 5 lakh, it is same as old taxation regime. After 5 lakhs, there are some changes. From 5 to 7 lakh, the rate of 7 lakh and 50,000, the rate of tax is 10%. From 7 lakh 50 to 10 lakh, it is 15%. From 10 lakh to 12 lakh 50,000, it is 20%. Earlier, the rate of tax for income from 5 to 10 lakh, it was 20%. Now it has been bifurcated to 10, 15 and 20%. For income above 12 lakh 50,000 to 15 lakh, it is 25%, and above 15 lakh, it is 30%. There are certain conditions which has to be met before going to a new tax system. So there are some important points. Let's discuss. The new tax system is applicable from financial year 2021 onwards. The resident individual who was entitled to rebate under section 87A for income, if it does not exceed 50 lakhs, the amount of rebate was 12,500. It is still applicable even in the new tax system as it was available earlier. Now, for individuals or HUF who have no business income, they don't have any income from business and profession, this option they can exercise every year. Every year they can check which tax system is beneficial to them, and accordingly they can pay taxes and file income tax returns. For individual and HUF who has business income, they can go to the new income tax system only once, and in case they don't like to, they don't want to stay in that system from next year onwards, they can withdraw. But once withdrawn, they can never opt for new taxation system except they cease to conduct any business and profession. There are certain conditions. The individuals and HUF who go to new tax system, there are certain exemptions and deductions which they will not be entitled to. Chapter 6A deductions like ATC, ADD, which is very common, LIC, Mediclaim, investment in ELSS, all these exemptions will not be available to individuals if they opt for new tax system. Same way, the interest on house property, the loss from the head income from house property will not be allowed to set off against any other income. The standard deduction which was introduced recently for salaried people, it will not be available from if they opt for new tax system. Leave travel allowance, HRA, allowance to MP and MLAs, entertainment allowance deduction and profession tax deduction, additional depreciation under section 32, deduction under section 32AD, 33AB and 33ABA, various deductions or donations or expenditures on scientific research under section 35, deduction under section 35 AD or 35 triple C, deduction from family pension under section 57 2A. All these deductions will not be available to individuals and HUF if they are opting for new taxation system. I hope the new tax system along with conditions is clear to everyone. In case any doubt, you can definitely contact me. I will be happy to help. It is really important to assess whether new tax system is beneficial to us or the old tax system, so that there is proper tax planning and accordingly we can pay taxes and file income tax returns. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel for regular updates on all the income tax and GST amendments. Thank you.